Okay, start with this one. Okay, these are the 2 bags. I had a lot of fun. I did a lot of refreshing my closets. I wanted to talk to you guys about it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Carmen. I make videos on YouTube. I am recently single, and what I wanted to share with you guys is I was refreshing my closet. So I got rid of a lot of jackets, a lot of clothes, sweats, basically everything. I've been working with a influencer thrift shop called Detour Shop, and because of that I freed up a lot of closet space and I'm coming into some money, so that's why I kind of balled out at Hermes. I also had a bit of like a finance mental change. So basically, because me and my ex split up emotionally, physically, financially, I have thus changed my financial mindset. So, you know, whatever lump sum of money I've saved, I'm kind of okay if I just like don't buy a place for the rest of my life, and I'm very happy to rent. And it's kind of just like freed myself from like this like made up home ownership burden that I've given myself. That's another reason why I justify my purchases. I also love fashion. So I found this really beautiful piece that I want to show you guys, and a few home goods. So let's get into it. Also, talking more about like the spend for Hermes, I totally believe it's real. I think it's like a one-to-one spend depending on your relationship with your sales associate. I have quite a funny one. We're gonna keep her a mystery because she wants to remain anonymous and mysterious. So let's respect her wishes. This is a pillow. I've always loved Hermes home stuff. The pillow was actually less than I thought. That does not mean it's affordable. I thought it was $900, but I think this is like $690, so close to $700. Obviously, the non-Hermes lovers are not gonna get it, but I've been loving green recently, and I think it's a really beautiful addition to my home. It kind of matches the artwork that I hung on my bedroom. I actually really like my filming setup. It's really cute. And this just goes on my bed. I've had it on my bed recently, and I have this throw blanket from Double Stitch Home, if you guys can see. And then I'm just gonna, so it can just sit here. So it just sits here, I lay on it, everything. It's really good. I think it's like wool and cashmere, so really nice. Comes with that little pillowcase that I really don't know what I'm gonna do with. And this is my receipt. Oh, the cushion is actually $770. Okay, the tray is $6 something. Okay, let's get into the bigger items because I know that's why we're here. I got a jacket. So I think this is like called Ready to Wear from Hermes. Really cute. Comes with this really intense travel bag. Really cool, right? We're fashion girlies. So this is really beautiful, and I love that it looks like, I love that it's a classic leather jacket. Let's take the plastic off. I did wear it a few times and put it back in, so don't hate me. I'm here filming for you guys, so love me. Like the video for more. So this is what it looks like. Are we impressed? I am. I saw this and I could not let it go. Obviously, like, I want to talk to you guys about like the whole preparing to shop at Hermes, getting ready to, you know, have the whole quota situation. Let me show you guys and then I'll talk to you. And I love the buckles. So like people that know Hermes know that this is their brand. And then it has like the cinching, and then inside is like silk. So yeah, and then it's made in Italy, Hermes, and has a little like chain. Like, it's so dope. And then let's see the inside, because I really care about materials. So this is size 34 if anyone wants the same jacket. Inside is 35% silk, and then the outside is deerskin, because I asked my essay to tell me. I also want the beige jacket. So yeah, this is what it looks like on. It was like born to be mine, right? Like, it's so dope. And it's super warm because it's such high quality material. It was a lot. Let me tell you how much it was. So the jacket was $8,900. If you think about like how much leather it takes to make a purse, it makes a lot of sense. And like, I'm very comfortable dropping $9 grand on a jacket. I think some people are not, and they're going to react that way in the comments, which is fine because I will have engagement, which is amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna wear this forever and I'm gonna take care of it and it's gonna be loved. And I love that it's Hermes, but it looks like it's from Zara. It's a high quality piece. Love fashion. I'm gonna wear it for like 40 years. And I kind of love investing in my pieces. Obviously, this is probably, yeah, this is the most I've ever invested in a piece, but I'm more than happy because it's Hermes. And what I was saying about the Hermes spend is I do think it's like a one-to-one spend depending on, you know, your relationship with your sales associate. My sales associate did ask me for my bag wish, but I have to figure out if I want a Birkin or a Kelly. I do want a size 25 and I think I want black or e-taupe, but I think I'm just gonna ask for like a Kelly in black, and I have to figure out the leather, but I kind of want it to be like a slouchy leather. So I'll probably ask all my other Hermes lover friends. So I've been ready to shop at Hermes for like 3 years now. It was more so me trying to find items that I loved, because like if a Birkin bag is 10,000, you have to spend 10,000 at the store if, you know, you're not anyone special, which is me, and bags don't count. So it's like, how many pillows and how many blankets can I buy? So once I found this jacket, like I knew. I have been to the store a few times, but I never really connected with any of the sales associates. So I got put in touch with the one that I have now through a friend from college, and they're wonderful. I do like some Hermes shoes, but again, like how many shoes can you buy to hit the 10,000 threshold? I'm gonna zip this up, but I did talk to my sales associate and I was like, girl, you're not gonna hear from me for like a year. And she's like, that's fine. Like, she has some clients that come every month that shop with her. She has some clients that come half a year, once a year. So I think they're totally understandable. It's more so if you want to shop Hermes and luxury stuff, you know, just be prepared, have a good head on your shoulders, and be financially responsible, which I do believe that I am. So that's why I blew $9 on a leather jacket. Hey. And then the last, oh, I have 2 more items. I'm just gonna leave it here because she's just so beautiful. This one I haven't opened yet. So this one's really fun. Let's open her up. I am like ready for my bag from Hermes, so like maybe I'll do that unboxing next, but I'm picking up a Cartier watch soon and I might get something done, so yeah. We'll see. Lots of videos to come. Please subscribe, turn on your notifications. And this is what I got. It's a beautiful piece of leather and it looks like this, and then you just button it together. Oh my god, I'm so happy to do this unboxing now that I can use this, because it's been like a month since I purchased this. I've always wanted this. So it's like a catch-all for your items. So I'm gonna put like my wallet in here. Where is my wallet? I committed to the bit. Okay, so this is like a little catch-all. I've always wanted one of these. So really cool, and it's like H. It's like H. And then I just wanted to put my little stuff in here, so I'll probably keep it on my desk. And it's super cute and adorable. It's so adult. And then lastly is the item that I went into Hermes to buy that day, which is kind of funny. It is this scent. It is their lychee scent. It's probably the only one I've ever smelled. It's an eau de parfum. So it lasts longer than eau de toilette. And this is the Tutti Twilly de Hermes. And it is a lychee scent. And it's lovely. The packaging is really cute. It's very Gen Z to me, and it makes me very happy. And I wanted a scent to, I actually got a few scents you guys will see in my upcoming hauls, but this will be my first one because I think this is like in chronological order, and this is the first store that I hit up. We also have an Aloe Yoga haul coming, Cartier haul coming, and Watchers of Switzerland haul coming, Van Cleef haul coming. Oh, I'm crazy. Okay. We did a refresh, and this is it. I wanted a scent to commemorate like my new chapter in my life, that I'm single and solo in New York City now, and like a fun, fresh pop of a fruity scent lychee was what I wanted. So that's why I went to the Hermes store. My sales associate took a while to get to me, so I shopped around, and these are the items that I got. But I'm very happy with everything, and you guys will probably see my bag offer next year whenever it comes in. Maybe I'll do a little vlog. I don't know how, they seem to be kind of strict about filming in stores, but yeah. And that was everything. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will let you guys go because the sun's setting. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and sign up for notifications. Try out this scent. It's very beautiful. It's nothing like anything I have in my collection. I definitely think this is my top 5 because I have a lot of favorite perfumes. So yeah, thanks for watching.